Hey, it's James. Today we're talking about the Genuine Chase electric scooter. Fun, stylish, and eco-friendly, it's the perfect ride for your next commute or even if you're just bouncing around town having a good time. You see we've unboxed, and once we get it down to this point, I leave this foam block on the back. It just adds a little bit of stability. You could take it off completely and put it on the side stand, but I find during assembly it's easier to just leave it on the rear foam block. So really all we have to do at this point is install the handlebar assembly, and what you need to do is locate your owner's manual packet, and you'll see screws and an Allen wrench in the owner's manual packet. We're going to remove those and we're going to install the handlebar assembly. All right, as you can see, there's a locator pin on the male side of the connector, and there's actually a circle here at the top of the female connector. And you just line those two up and you'll know that you're in the right position. Press. Okay, we're fully seated. Make sure that you are between the two brake cables when you do connect this. Don't forget to do that. But once you've got it connected, just press down a little bit on the cable, and we're going to thread the headset cable downward and just set the handlebar assembly down in the steering stem. And you're going to want to line up these holes. Make sure that, again, the cables are both in front, and that's kind of how it should look as it's just resting there. We're going to hand tighten the bolts. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. All right, as you can see, we've got 6 Allen screws that we're going to install and a Allen wrench. And they're going to go in each one of these 6 holes that are in the steering stem. There's 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and 2 in the driver's area. So let's get started. All right, once you've got the screws run in, you can see they're mostly flush. Obviously the screw is flat on a round tube, so there's a little bit of protrusion, but grab the lower portion of the steering stem and grab the handlebar and see if there's any play. If not, you've securely tightened the headset assembly to the stem, and we're ready to go to the next step. All right, now that we've got the headset secure, we're just going to roll this guy out of the back here. Toss the foam block aside and then put it on the side stand. All right, to charge your Genuine Chase scooter, locate the charging port access cover on the lower right front portion of the deck and just peel that back. You want to have your charger disconnected from the wall. You don't want it plugged into the wall. Plug into the scooter first. So take the round end and just plug it into the port. And once you have it plugged in, then you take the charger itself and plug it into the wall. I'm just plugging it in here. Once you do that, the light will turn red, and that indicates that your battery is now taking a charge. Once the battery has completely charged full, this light will turn to green and you can go off on your next adventure.